everyone, hope you're feeling well. So today I'll be making sweet and sour pork. So if you're not a fan of pork, you can use chicken or other types of meat. To start off with, I'm going to be using pork shoulder for this recipe. So approximately 150 grams of pork shoulder. Give it a wash and pat dry it. So I'm going to cut it into small pieces right now. After cutting it, put it into a bowl. I'm gonna marinate the pork with soy sauce, rice wine, cornflour, salt and pepper. So 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice wine, 1 teaspoon of cornflour, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Use your hand to mix it up. So after mixing it up, right now I'm going to marinate the pork in the fridge for 25 to 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to use red capsicum, green capsicum, yellow capsicum, 1 onion, and pineapple cubes. So take the yellow capsicum, green capsicum as well. Over here I already cut out 1/4 of each capsicum. So just put your knife through to remove the top. Cut the capsicum into half. Green capsicum as well. Red capsicum. And put everything in a bowl. Mix the onion. So peel the onion. Do the same for the other side. So slice the onion. And put it in a bowl as well. Last, pineapple is cut into 6 cubes. Put it in the bowl. Next, get your chives. In a bowl. Put your chopped chives in. So next, clear your chopping board. Right now I'm going to make the batter for the pork. 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornflour. So sieve it. So when it's done, 3/4 cup of water, a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of the baking soda, and crack in the egg. So mix it up with a fork. When it's done, put it to one side. So now I'm gonna do the sweet and sour sauce. 4 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of plum sauce, 2 tablespoons of the rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and get a spoon and mix it up together. Put it to one side as well. So next, I'm going to use cornstarch to thicken the sauce. So 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 2 tablespoons of water. So mix it up together. And put it one side as well. So next, take your batter, take the pork and pour it all in. So mix it all up. And put it to one side. So now, I'm going to deep fry the pork. So heat up your oil on high heat, and when it's hot enough, add in the pork slices. Alright, this deep frying process will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so when it's done, off the heat, get ready a plate with grease-proof paper or baking paper and take out the pork slices, strain it out. Alright, so put it to one side. Okay, so you can reuse the oil if you want. Alright, pour into a bowl. Alright, and put it one side. Alright, next, I'm not going to add in any oil. I'm just going to reuse the pan like this after I've already strained out the oil. So I'm going to use the remaining oil that's left inside. So heat up the pan. Right, after you heat up the pan, add in the onion. Alright, after the aroma of the onion is out, add in the capsicum. So I'm only going to add in the pineapple after the aroma of the capsicum is released. Alright, stir it for a while. Next, so the aroma of the capsicum has already been released. Add in the pineapple. So cook it around for 30 seconds before adding in the pork. Alright, next, add in the pork. So after cooking for about 30 seconds, add in the sweet and sour sauce. Alright, reduce it to low to medium heat. Use your cornstarch to fix the again. Incorporate the water and cornstarch together. Alright, pour it in. Alright, so the cornstarch will help thicken the sauce. Alright, off the heat. Alright, next, so get ready the plate you want to put your pork in. Alright, so after that, the last step will be garnishing with chopped chives. Alright, so down to my favorite part of the video. It's always about the tasting. So this dish will pair very well with rice on its own or with sauteed noodles. So give it a try, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Thank you.